Good evening, sir. Our project name is Bluetooth Control Car, and myself, I'm T. Karan, and my team member Vijay Raipati. Now let's quickly recap what you have done till now. Starting from the review one, will be explained by Vijay Kumar.
Sir, coming to the review one, Bluetooth controlled car is our project, sir. We completed the introduction, sir. In this first project, we are trying to develop a Bluetooth controlled car with many server applications. We completed this all this. What are the using motors and everything using in this Arduino UNO 90 DC batteries? We explained everything in this introduction, sir. And how the design is looking like. The sample photos also we displayed in the review one. The main objective is that world has drawn a smartphone era where everything in day-to-day life is can be controlled by a smartphone. That way, we chosen this project to do. It is an interesting project to do for us. And this is the literature survey we already discussed in the review one. Coming to the methodology, how it's work, we showed here the whole system is divided into four principles. This is the based on these four principles the car was worked, and this is the basic ideology how the phone was connected to the Arduino Bluetooth, and Bluetooth controls the Arduino and everything. And this is the circuit diagram of the entire connection set. And conclusion, we concluded this hardware parts, how what are the parts we has used, and this is the phone mobile phone controls, and this is the conclusion, sir. They will conclude the project in the review one. And coming to the review two, Karan will explain.
Coming to the review two, sir, and here we have done a lot of work. And here we divided into different modules. We have told about the approach, the components, and the circuit diagram in the conclusion in detail. This is the approach, how we have used the proposed work, how we have developed this project. And these are all the main components which I've used. L298 motor driver, it's HC05 Bluetooth module, and Arduino PO motor, and the app which I use is the main. And we have explained them in detail of what are the applications and how they work. This is the Bluetooth module, RC controller app, and this is the app which we have used to compile our code. And the circuit diagram is the most important part in this project. How they are connected, all the circuits. Here you can see that first the VO motors are connected with the L298 module. And secondly, we use jumper wires to connect the L298 motor driver to different points. And here we have the L298 motor driver connections. We have showed all the different connections of the 12 volts ground and 5 volts. And we have used different connections. Here you can see these connections of HC05 Bluetooth model. We have connected this to the Arduino Uno. We have used, you can see here RX and TX pin are connected to the Arduino Uno module, and the VCC and ground are also connected to Arduino Uno board. And this is the code which I've used for our project. You can see all the directions which I've used, the directions, and the remaining work. Previously, we had the remaining work that we need to solder and connect the BO motors wires and connect to them with the L298 motor driver. You need to connect 3 4-volt batteries in series and connect them to 12 volt supply in a L298 motor driver, and switch also needs to be connected. And finally, we should connect the Arduino board and phone through cable and OTG wire. And as of now, you can see that all this work has been done. The complete car has been. I'll show you the car. This is the complete car. You can see over here. This complete car. You can see the different components. This is Arduino Uno board and motor driver, 290 motor driver. This is which we have used. This is the batteries which are connected in series. All these are 3 4-volt batteries are connected in series. This is a series connection. Right on the soldering. And these are BO motor drivers which I've used to move on. And this is the main HC05 Bluetooth module which I've used to connect. This is a caster wheel which I've used for the car. And we are used to apps which you can see in the phone. This is the Android Uno app. Here we have to insert the code. You have to write our code here. You can see here we have written our code. And after writing the code, we have to first connect the Arduino Uno. As you can see here, you have to connect this through here through OTG cable, and you have to compile this code. And after compilation, you have to press this button. It is compiled over here.
Okay.
Now, after that, the Bluetooth RC app. This is the app which first we have to on the Bluetooth. This is the app which we have used. You can see we have to connect this settings button. We have to connect this settings button over here. Then you have to connect the car. You can see all the paired, you can see the connections. You have to pair a car with this. After that, you'll get a green message over here, green light. It indicates that your car is connected with your phone. Let me show you a working demo model of our car.
Sir, present the screen.
Wait a second.
Share the screen. Sir, this is the working video of the car, sir. You can see the car is moving. We can change by pressing the directions and moving back and forward. We have tried to use this in different conditions, and it is working perfectly. It is running well, and you can see on the screen. It is moving fine. This is the complete project, sir. It is moving everything okay.
We completed the model, the final model which I have done and completed. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.